Okay, get your feet on.
Like I would jump off.
Jump down, just jump to the circle and then just go straight up and you'll go over.
No, I'm just gonna act like that.
Okay.
Nice farm, Flo.
Okay,
That's good to do.
go.
Otherwise you're gonna like over-rotate.
Yeah.
It was straight legs, so you landed perfectly.
Yeah, people don't have the
Are you gonna go?
core strength.
Yeah. Far out.
They will get on video too.
Yeah, take off all I just drank an entire thing of soda.
Yeah.
Ready?
I don't know. Okay, go Maxie. Remember, jump up, not out.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Woo, good one. Woo!
Little dude's got it down.
Nice work.
He's flipping from down there.
Get your feet on there.
Whoa!
Oh.
You gotta be so careful that kids don't like jump and just break their back on that. Yeah, nice job.
My forearm.